Welcome to the Glitch Report, your daily marketing botcast. Brought to you by Leadpages. Here are our hosts, Kai and Luna.
All right, everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at three really fascinating stories. We've got some stuff about AI, some stuff about YouTube, and then even Google Ads is doing something kind of interesting.
Very cool.
So hopefully you'll learn something here today with us.
Yeah.
The first thing I want to talk about is this AI thing.
Right.
So I saw this article that said traffic from AI chatbots is converting better than traffic from search, like way better.
Yeah.
And that was just so surprising to me.
I can see why.
Yeah, like, are you talking about people who are using like Siri or Alexa?
I think it's a little more nuanced than that.
Okay.
So there was this study that looked at over 7 million sessions from these AI assistants, like ChatGPT. Have you heard of that one?
Of course.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Copilot, Perplexity. So these are all AI assistants that people are using. And what they found is that people who are using these are actually further along in their decision-making process.
So they're not just browsing anymore.
Exactly. They're actually looking for very specific solutions.
So they're using these AI assistants to help them find solutions.
Yeah. Like, think of it this way. They've already done their initial research. Maybe they've browsed some websites.
Right.
But now they're ready to buy. So when they click on a link from an AI assistant, their intent to purchase is way higher.
So it sounds like what you're saying is that SEO is going to have to change a little bit.
Yeah.
Because now we have to be thinking about how to optimize for these AI assistants.
Right. So it's not just about keywords anymore.
Right.
It's about anticipating the questions that people might ask these AI assistants.
That's fascinating. Now let's move on to YouTube. So did you know that TV is now the top way that people watch YouTube in the US?
Really? I did not know that.
Yeah.
That's wild, because I feel like I always have it on my phone.
Same here.
Yeah.
But apparently people are just sitting down on their couch, turning on the TV and watching YouTube. But
well, and YouTube's responding to that too.
Okay, how so?
They're adding all these new features that are specifically for TV.
Like what?
Like watch with.
What's watch with?
So it's like if you're watching a video with your friends, but you're not actually together.
Okay.
You can see their comments and reactions like pop up on the screen.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it makes it more interactive.
Wow.
And then there's key plays.
Where key plays?
That's where you can just see like the most exciting moments of a video.
Oh, so you don't have to watch the whole thing?
Exactly. And then there's multi-view. Where you can watch like multiple videos at the same time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So YouTube is really going all in on the whole TV thing.
Oh yeah, they're definitely taking it seriously.
So for marketers, this is pretty huge. Like, we have to start thinking about how our ads are going to look on a TV screen.
Absolutely.
Not just a tiny little phone.
All right. Well, that was a lot about YouTube.
Yeah.
Now for our last story, we're going to be talking about Google Ads. So I saw this thing the other day that said Google Ads is going to start automatically creating shorter versions of video ads.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so you don't have to do it yourself.
That's interesting.
Which is kind of cool because it saves you time. Makes sense, though. Because everyone's doing short form video now.
Oh, right. Like TikTok and Instagram Reels.
Exactly. Yeah. And those tend to perform better than longer videos. Yeah. So it's smart for Google to be doing this.
That's true.
But I think the important thing here is that even though Google's going to be doing this automatically, you still have to make sure that the short videos are good quality.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, like they should still align with your brand and your message.
Right.
So don't just assume that Google's going to do everything perfectly.
You still need to review it.
Yeah.
And make sure that it's actually something that you want to put out there.
Exactly.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
So just a heads up for anyone who's listening.
Yeah.
This feature is going to be enabled by default.
Oh, really?
But you have until March 10th.
Of 2025.
2025 to opt out if you don't want it.
Okay. Good to know.
All right. So as you can see, a lot is happening in the digital marketing world.
A lot is changing.
Yeah. Changing fast. Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for joining us for this deep dive.
Yeah. Thanks for having me.
It was a pleasure having you.
It was fun.
And we'll see you all next time.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.